serve sushi and steak on the plane because that's what my chef.
The way she outsmarted this skinwalker is absolutely insane. This dog is disguised as a skinwalker. She knew that. She told him to do certain tricks.
Merlin, sit.
Okay.
Turn around. Turn around. Lay down.
After the dog performed the tricks, she knew this was not her dog because her dog cannot do tricks.
You're not my dog. My dog don't know how to do no trick.
Oh,
The way she outsmarted.
This gave me actually.
I'm trying to find the actual live, bro. I'm trying to find the actual live. Playing lights out with my dog's skinwalker. I'm trying to find the actual live stream. We're probably like not here. Ugh. Look at all these skinwalkers, bro. Ugh. Hey. Y'all see that? Ugh, brother. Ugh. 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 What the heck? Damn, I'm sick as heck. Yeah, I'm literally so sick, bro. I'm trying to find that same live stream, bro. I found that.
His dog has been acting really strange lately. Whenever he brings religious objects near him, he acts like this. It really surprises the guy because he has never done this before. He needed answers. The thing that struck him was that one night his dog went missing, but the next morning he came back. He was perfectly fine. His dog was never the same after that. He always growls when he sees the cross. Many people commented that it's a skinwalker. Do you think the dog is possessed?
A lady was on live and she said a skinwalker pretended to be her dog. And she's saying, oh, this is not my dog, this is not my dog, and I'll prove it, right?
What the fuck? How did she?
She's like, okay, dog, sit. Dog sits, right?
Yeah.
And she's like, okay, turn
Oh,
around,
this is
spin around. The dog
creepy.
spins around. And then she's like, okay, lay down. And then the dog
God.
lay down. She says on her live, she's
I'm
like, everyone,
watching
this
this
is not my
at
dog.
night,
You know
so
why? Because my dog is new.
We found Grandma. Or a skinwalker.
Grandma? Is that you?
We found Grandma. Or a skinwalker.
This gave me actually.
This is so scary. There's a chance that skinwalkers are actually real, and they are more evil than you thought. Yes, you heard that right. For generations, people have claimed they have seen a skinwalker, but no one has ever had real evidence. But what if I told you we finally have 100% proof they are real? Because in 2022, Reed Wilson, a man...
Better hurry. Lewis, I want my graham cracker.